Okay, now we are going to do our task 3. The first step of this task is to create your own Wi-Fi access point with random password using various devices like mobile or laptop, etc. I have already done that. I will be including this said access point name in the report, or you can see it later in this video itself. And put Wi-Fi card into monitor mode. We'll be beginning with that. For that, I'm already root. So what I'm going to do is use AirmonNG to list the available network cards, and we are going to be using this. And now what we will be doing with it is start its monitor mode. For that, we need to paste it. We need to run the command AirmonNG start and the network card's name. We press enter and it is in monitor mode, already enabled for. Okay, it says it has been enabled. Maybe I'll try it once again. So I'll take the network card out, insert it back in, and then AirmonNG. You can see it is PSY5 now, and now we start. Okay, monitor mode is enabled. Now what we will be doing is we will have to scan for the available network. For that, we need to use arrow dump and the network card's name, and this will scan all the available network around me. My access point is TP-Link 7A5C, so I need to search for this TP-Link 7A5C. I will end the process. Okay, TP-Link 7A5C. So I need to copy this data. Channel number is 9. I need to remember that. I'll keep it in my notes so that I can reuse this. Okay, now let me clear the window, and after that we have to view the clients connected to the target network. So again we will use arrow dump. Yes. After that we will specify which channel we are using. Channel number 9 was it, and we will type in BSSID and then the BSSID of the access point. Copy and paste it here, and we will use the right syntax to home Python, and let me keep it in documents. And we will also have to write the network card's name. So I will have to open another terminal, and I will need to search for the network card, which will be here. And here is the network card. I will copy its name. I will paste it here. Now it will start scanning, and as you can see, it has all these all these users on the accessing the network. So I will pause the video, and for the next step we need 2 terminal windows. So I have brought out another terminal emulator, a terminal window, I'm sorry. And here what we will do is run this command to disconnect all the clients connected to the network. So the command is airplay ng, and we will be using -0 syntax for deauthentication, which means to disconnect it. What it's basically telling is to send out deauthentication signals to the network so that all the clients connected to it will be disconnected. And I will choose 25 and 50 the auth to package to be sent. And next is I need to type in -a and then the BSSID of the network. Okay, and finally the network card. Network card is also in this. Okay, there is no network card here. Oh, sorry, I could not see it here. think it is adjusted. It looks kind of weird because of the seamlessness of it. Don't worry about it. Okay, let me check rewrite the name of the network card, IPA. Let me copy its name and then paste it here and run the command. Now as you can see, it is sending the auth package to the network and it is disconnecting all the network connecting to it. Let it happen. I will continue after it is done. As you can see, the process is done now, and you can also see that the handshake has been captured in the first screen. Now we exit the second terminal window, and we can end the first process as well. After the handshake has been captured, we are supposed to use Wireshark to filter out the packets. For that, what we need to do is open the handshake capture file in Wireshark, which will be cap file, and open it. Now we can apply filters to the file. So one of the common filters to apply would be EFL. Now we can see all the filtered packets we get here, and with this we are okay. So now we can apply another filter. Applies filter. Why did it not work? Applies filter is just not working. Maybe this one works. Yes, it will be and selected. Okay, I don't really understand what filtering is, so I will skip this step. Now the last step of this task is to generate a word list on the fly and to crack the password. To create a word list, we can use Crunch. This is from the man page of Crunch, and what I'm going to do with it is create a word list of password of 8 digit. The maximum and the minimum length I have set to 8 because the minimum character needed to create a Wi-Fi password is 8. So if I create, there's a chance if I create 8 digit passwords that it will match, and since this is my access point, I also know that the password is of exactly 8 digits. So I will be using that information, and I will be using only numbers for this, and I will use -o syntax to specify where it needs to be saved in. So I will be doing this, and documents, what I will be naming is password.txt. okay, this should work. Okay, it did generate all the password data. Let me check that, or let me cat/home/Spicen documents. Okay, I need documents. Okay, and password.txt. Oh, it doesn't work like that. Okay, that is my bad. What I needed it to do was, first let me remove the created password.txt file. So I'll remove it. Yes, I have removed it. Let me make corrections to the code, and what the code was supposed to be is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Yeah, this should do it. And I think it has done it. It has done it. Yes, it has done it. Okay, so we can end this here. Clear. Now we have a password list and we have the handshake capture file. So what we need to do is run this command, use aircrackng air crack NZ, and we need to specify what kind of network it is. We use dash A. It is in WPA. Let me confirm that, and the network is WPA2, so we need to use the A2 syntax. A2 syntax. After that, we specify the BSS ID of the network, and then use the BSS ID of it. Copy the BSS ID from my notes. Copy, and then I paste it. Yes, and then we need where we are supposed. Okay, so it will be where the password file is. Documents. It's not Kali, it is Python. Documents, password. Okay, and where the cap file is same location / homes Python documents and 02. Let me check the file name. It is -02. That is unfortunate. 02.cap. I need the cap file, and then okay, the number crunching starts. It says it will take 22 minutes. 37. Let's see what it actually says. So this is just a matter of time. It will eventually find the password. So what I'm going to do is, since I already know what the password is, I'm going to shorten the word list, and then I will show you if it works or not. Let me pause the video. So we can, after editing the file, we can use, I made a shorter word list passwords.txt, which has the password, I think. So it should be able to crack it. And yes, it did find the key. And it was so short that it was instant. I'm sorry for the short password, but we could not go on for an hour. So with this, I have completed my task 3.